Here I am on YouTube trying to watch a video, but ads are not letting me do that easily. Now, as you're going to see here, I'm trying to watch this video, but YouTube is showing me about two ads. So if I play this ad now, you're going to see that it's not letting me watch this video. And I need to watch two more ads before this video would start. Let me be sincere with you. YouTube ads are getting out of control. Sometimes you watch more ads than the actual video. But after changing one thing on my Android phone, almost every ad disappeared instantly. And I'm going to show you that right in this video. You want to watch to the end and then do it step by step as I show you. Welcome back to the channel. If you enjoy smart Android tips, private tricks, and hidden tech settings that actually make your phone better, faster, please subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification so you will always see when I upload new ones. Now let's fix this ad annoying thing. Easiest solution I have found in blocking ads on YouTube is using Brave browser. Now this is the Brave browser here. This browser here, unlike normal browser, Brave has built-in ad blocker already included in it, and that means you don't need to install complicated extension or risky apps. And when you open YouTube inside Brave, that means you're going to be watching your YouTube videos inside Brave. Most ads disappear instantly. Now that automatically you don't need to turn on anything. Now if you look up here, you're going to see this icon, this here. Now you turn it on. Once you open it, you're going to see that about 4 ads has been blocked here. You're going to see that here. Now if you even click down on this advanced control here, you're going to see this block script. You're going to see block trackers and ads. You're also going to see a whole lot of things. Now that means there's an inbuilt ad blocker right on this browser, and this is where I watch my YouTube videos from now. Of course, it doesn't mean that ads will not pop up, because let's be sincere, most creators on YouTube depends on ads, right? Which I am not against ads popping up on videos, but having it so much, it's annoying, right? That's why I love to use Brave browser. Whenever I want to watch YouTube, I just go to Brave and I go to YouTube and watch it here on Brave. Now, before that, you have to sign into your YouTube account first. So you click on this, look down, you're going to see this U icon here, right? Just tap on it. When you tap on it here, you can sign into your YouTube account. Once you sign into your YouTube account, everything that appears when watching your YouTube app, it's also going to appear here if you're watching YouTube on Brave browser. So for me, I found it much easier here and much better here. Now, to install this app, it's really that simple. Just go to your Play Store or your App Store, depending on whatever you're using. But I am using an Android phone, so obviously you can install it from Play Store. And then once that, you can sign into your YouTube here. And then afterwards, you can start watching your normal videos without ads interrupting you. You don't even need to search for anything here in case you are this. Once you log to YouTube account here, it's going to automatically show you all the feeds on your normal YouTube app. It's going to show you down right here on this. So guys, for me, I prefer this in the sense that I don't have to always watch adverts every time I'm watching a YouTube video, watching a lot of adverts, sometimes even more than the video itself. Yeah, so what do you think? Now remember, like I said, that most creators, let me not use the word most, some creators depend on ad revenue for them to keep going on. That means you cannot automatically block all ads here. It means that the ads here are going to be reduced, unlike using the normal YouTube apps, okay, where you have to watch ads and ads in every video you open. In some videos you open here, you won't see adverts, even though those channels are monetized. Okay guys, so I just wanted to make this a very short one. If you enjoy this video, please hit the thumbs up button and then subscribe to the channel if you are the type that love Android tips and how to make your phone better.